You might be aware of one of the prestigious institute which always focuses on upbringing the techno managers in construction industry. Yes, the National Institute of Construction Management and Research, NICMAR. Today we are going to talk about the admissions of NICMAR. Hello friends, welcome to Construction World with Dash Baba. Admissions of NICMAR are held in 3 rounds and the link for admission is available on NICMAR website. You might be thinking, why 3 rounds? So let me tell you, each round of NICMAR has its own specialty. The online form submission for the first round starts around November-December and maximum number of students appear in this round, whose entrance exam and interview are conducted in the month of January. Significance of this round is it has test centers across the country and all campuses. Also, all the courses in NICMAR are open for this round. The second round opens in January-February. An entrance exam is conducted around April-May. Similarly, third round, which is final round, opens in May and conducted in June. Round 2 and 3 are conducted in Pune, but usually admission seats for Pune campus fills in first round and then second and third round has limited options of campus and courses. The necessary documents and copies required during online form submission as well as during interview round conducted post-entrance exam are mark sheets of 10th, 12th, BE or BTech, ID proofs, photographs, certificates if any, degree if received or provisional degree needs to be submitted. The applications are scrutinized and eligibility is established on the basis of documents submitted. The eligible candidates are invited to appear for selection procedure, which comprises of total 250 marks, that is divided as 150 marks for entrance exam, 50 marks for personal interview, 50 marks for rating of application. For entrance exam, candidate have to appear for NICMAR Common Admission Test and CAT, or candidate can also submit valid CAT, GATE, GMAT, CMAT score 2. NCAT exam comprises of quantitative and analytical ability of 60 marks, data interpretation of 30 marks, verbal and general ability of 60 marks. Interview round is conducted post-entrance exam. The common questions asked in personal interview are related to academics of engineering, projects, internships, extracurricular activities and areas of interest. If experienced, questions related to site experience or projects may be asked. Now the third parameter, rating of application, is obtained from the document submitted to NICMAR on the basis of weighted score of cumulative academic performance along with work experience if any. Now the selection of candidate is done on the basis of merit. This merit list is drawn from the performance in entrance exam, PI and RA. Admission offer letter are issued in the order of merit list. Candidates' preference of program and campus submitted during online form submission will be considered, but at a sole discretion of admission department of NICMAR. A mail with all the details of necessary documents to be submitted along with payment options will be sent to the selected candidate within 20 to 25 days of entrance exam. Based on your written and interview assessment, you might get select for scholarship offered by NICMAR. Now the allotment of hostel will be according to your merit list in NCAT and the allotment of room will be disclosed once the session starts in July. This was all about NICMAR admission, and to know more about the courses offered and fee structure, do watch our video of NICMAR series. You can find the link in description. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.